Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of a plain, boring patio? Do you crave a backyard retreat that is both stylish and serene? Today, we're diving into the coolest trend in outdoor design, the modern patio pond. We'll show you 15 incredible examples, reveal the secrets to decorating them, and give you the ultimate checklist of items you'll need. Stay tuned, because the difference these ponds make is absolutely stunning. Let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is the meaning of a modern patio pond? A modern patio pond is a contemporary take on the traditional garden pond. Unlike the rustic, natural look of old-style ponds, the modern version is characterized by clean lines, geometric shapes, often square or rectangular, and a minimalist aesthetic. The edges are typically defined by materials like concrete, sleek stone, metal, or composite decking, which emphasize structure and sophistication. These ponds often incorporate architectural water features like sheer descent waterfalls or bubblers, and they are usually elevated or neatly recessed into a paved or decked area, making them an integrated part of the overall patio design rather than just a natural feature tucked away in a corner. The focus is on design and tranquility. So, what is the benefit of having a modern patio pond? Integrating a modern patio pond offers a wealth of advantages for both your home and your well-being. The most immediate benefit is the sensory experience. The gentle sound of running water from a fountain or waterfall has a proven calming effect, effectively masking unwanted neighborhood noise and creating a true oasis of tranquility right outside your door. From a design perspective, a pond acts as a striking focal point, instantly elevating the perceived value and luxury of your outdoor living space. Furthermore, a pond can introduce biodiversity, even small. Modern ones can support aquatic plants, attract dragonflies, and, if sized appropriately, house beautiful koi or goldfish, adding a dynamic, living element to your decor. Finally, the reflective surface of the water adds an incredible dimension, bouncing light and reflecting the sky and surrounding greenery, making your patio feel larger and more open. Now for the fun part, how do I decorate my modern patio pond to look good? The key to decorating a modern patio pond is to maintain the contemporary aesthetic of simplicity and structure. Begin with architectural plants. Instead of bushy, rambling greenery, opt for vertical and linear plants like papyrus, horsetail, or large-leaf tropicals that complement the clean lines of the pond basin. Lighting is crucial. Submerged LED lights, especially in cool white or soft amber, can transform the pond at night, highlighting the water features and giving the water an ethereal glow. For added function and style, consider stepping stones or bridges made of sleek concrete, dark slate, or rich wood, as seen in many of our examples, which serve as both an artistic element and a practical way to traverse the water. Lastly, keep the surrounding area uncluttered. Use minimalist furniture and dark, high-contrast materials for the pond's border to ensure the water feature itself remains the undisputed star. Before we jump into our top 15 ideas, here are the best items to incorporate for a modern patio pond. First, sheer descent waterfall spillways. These are the sleek, rectangular slots that create a smooth, curtain-like sheet of water, the signature look of a modern pond. Second, submersible LED lights, essential for nighttime viewing. Choose low-voltage fixtures that can be placed beneath the waterfall or around plants. Third, aquatic planters and linear plants. Use square or rectangular pots to hold plants like water lilies, dwarf papyrus, or iris, maintaining the geometric theme. Fourth, sleek coping material. Choose granite, dark slate, precast concrete, or composite decking for the rim to achieve that clean, defined edge. Fifth, minimalist statuary or bubblers. If you use statuary, opt for simple geometric forms or dark metal sculptures, rather than traditional stone figures. Sixth, stepping stones, both floating or fixed, large, flat slabs of stone, concrete, or corten steel to create a walkway through the pond. Get ready to be inspired. Here are our top 15 best modern patio pond ideas that you can recreate in your own backyard. 1. The Tranquil Water Wall Oasis. This design features a dramatic, wide-sheet waterfall flowing over a textured black stone wall, illuminated by warm, internal lights. The dark coping and surrounding white pebbles create a stunning high-contrast, high-impact aesthetic, making this a spectacular focal point for any urban patio point. 2. The Industrial Waterfall Feature. A brilliant blend of textures, this pond uses rusted corten steel elements and stacked natural stone. The narrow, focused waterfall creates a powerful visual line, contrasting beautifully with the large, square floating copper stepping pads. This is the epitome of industrial chic design. Point 3. 3. Tropical concrete sheer descent. A sophisticated, wide sheer descent waterfall is the star here, set against a backdrop of lush, tall greenery like papyrus. The massive, light-colored concrete stepping slabs appear to float just above the water's surface, lending an air of architectural drama. 4. The illuminated modern retaining pond. This isn't just a pond. It's an entire tiered landscape. Water collects in a shallow basin lined with discrete spot lighting, which highlights the sleek, dark-tiled steps and the horizontal timber fence. It's a masterful use of light and dark, perfect for a private city garden. 5. The integrated deck and pond. This is the ultimate deck integration. Two large, square ponds stocked with lilies and reeds flank a central wooden seating area, creating a water-surrounded retreat. The third pond includes a black box spillway for dynamic water movement. 6. The long, linear waterway. Ideal for narrow side yards, this design features a long, linear pond with multiple small stone bridges and simple waterfall spouts. The light, textured stone border contrasts with the rich plant life and dark water, giving a calm, zen-like feel. 7. The minimalist concrete border. Simplicity is key. A clean, rectangular pond with a light-colored concrete rim and patio base is enhanced by a simple arrangement of lily pads and 3 perfectly spaced stepping stones. This design feels seamlessly integrated with the modern home. 8. The rustic modern stone passage. This pond features a naturalistic twist, with rough-hewn basalt stone creating a dual waterfall effect. The massive, natural stepping stones traverse the water, providing a beautiful textural contrast to the smooth wooden fence line. 9. The multi-level urban water garden. A complex, multi-tiered water system using dark, square basins and rich, dark wood decking. Water cascades between the levels, creating movement and sound, while tropical plants add a lush, modern touch. 10. The elevated koi pond with dark timber. This design focuses on fish, using a raised, speckled concrete basin to showcase bright koi. Stepping stones serve as small water spouts, and the contrast between the rough concrete, smooth dark decking, and bright white pebbles is striking and intentional. 11. The curving, multi-level feature. This unique pond design breaks away from the rectangular norm by featuring soft, curving lines that mirror the circular lawn above. The pond is split into 2 levels by a retaining wall, allowing water to cascade over the edge. The use of light-colored, minimal coping and the integration of a sunken seating area make this design feel organic yet highly structured. 12. The Zen tropical patio. This design expertly contrasts the exotic and the geometric. Lush tropical plants, like towering fern palms, erupt from a wooden deck, framing a sleek seating area. The surrounding pond is a simple, dark square with a single, modern waterfall spout and minimalist stepping pads, all set against a large format gray paving stone patio. 13. The courtyard fountain focus. Perfect for an enclosed urban courtyard. This small, elevated pond acts as a central tranquil water feature. It uses clean, light-colored stone coping that complements the architecture. The drama comes from 3 powerful bubbling fountains, beautifully illuminated from below, creating a captivating and sophisticated soundscape for the surrounding seating area. 14. The deck integrated koi sanctuary. An impressive, high-level design where a large, dark-tiled koi pond wraps around a sunken dining area. The pond's dark water contrasts beautifully with the warm composite decking and the bright surrounding plants. Stainless steel railings delineate the space, adding a contemporary, safety-conscious element while keeping the fish visible from multiple vantage points. 15. The rainforest walkway pond. This pond is fully integrated with the architecture, it feels like a natural part of the house. Surrounded by dense, lush tropical foliage, the pond runs right alongside the floor-to-ceiling glass walls. A single, clear glass panel serves as a bridge, giving the illusion of walking directly over the water and creating a truly immersive indoor-outdoor experience, from the dramatic water wall to the tranquil integrated deck. The modern patio pond is the perfect way to bring architectural beauty and the calming presence of water to your home. No matter the size of your space, a clean, geometric water feature instantly elevates your outdoor living area from ordinary to extraordinary. Remember the key principles: clean lines, quality materials, and subtle, effective lighting.